Hello, my friends. If you're actively seeking an efficient and convenient method to effortlessly transmit a chat message, a captivating video, or a cherished photograph to all your cherished friends and contacts across the popular WhatsApp platform simultaneously, then you have indeed arrived at the perfect destination. This method works on both WhatsApp Business and regular WhatsApp. It also works on Android phones as well as iPhones. We open the app as usual. First and foremost, if this is your first time watching, please don't ever forget to generously support me by clicking the subscribe and also the follow buttons, liking this video, and sharing this incredibly helpful video with all your friends and family members. For this particular method to effectively work, you absolutely need to carefully switch the application to the Arabic language setting. I've personally tried it in several different languages, but I found that Arabic was truly the one that ultimately worked best for me. The straightforward method to proceed is to simply tap right here on these three distinct dots. After that, you will see further options. After that, you need to click on Settings. If your phone is an iPhone, you will find an icon in this spot with settings written underneath it. Since my personal phone is an Android device, I will proceed to click right here. After that, I will carefully scroll down just a little bit and then diligently look for this particular option that is clearly labeled as language. In case your phone is set to another language, remember the locations and icons you will come across. I will simply click right here. Then I will carefully select Arabic as the desired language. So after I have successfully switched the application's language to Arabic, I will then proceed to click once again on these three distinct dots. Following that, I will carefully choose the third available option, which is clearly labeled and explicitly states New Broadcast Message. At this particular point, you will be able to conveniently add all the various friends and contacts that you currently have stored within your comprehensive list of contacts on your device. For example, I will carefully select this particular person. I will then thoroughly check them from this specific location here. As you can see, they will be automatically added to this area. Then I will select this particular person as well as this other person. Just to note, I will only choose 3 specific people. You can scroll down and carefully look for other available friends. At the very end, I will click on this particular option, and then you can simply click right here to send a message exactly as you normally would. And as I previously mentioned, you can also easily send various documents, important photos, and much more, and videos, which will be sent directly to these people. If you've reached this point, don't forget to check out this list. The comprehensive playlist of some very useful WhatsApp tutorials contains important and beneficial guides that you'll certainly like and greatly benefit from. Goodbye, my friends.